Right about now, this is gonna be the last one from the DJ Marty. Where's all the noise cube? Come on, fucking hell. Ooh. Yo, Snake to the DJ box. Snake to the fucking DJ box. DJ
I saw you and her walking in the rain. You were holding hands and I will never be the same. I saw you.
Yeah, one for the side scene.
Walking in the rain.
Fucking sickness.
I saw you walking, holding hands.
Yo,
and
kid.
I will never be the
Yes,
same.
man. What kind of shock out here? Are you rushing upon a knee? Rushing to the beat or to the melody? Rushing to the melody, kinda aki and see. Like this, like that, so easily. Yo, come back to the set. When I'm on the right track, who's on the mic like this? Down to the DJ, coming on back in time. One time for the wicked and Swiss. It's Taki, MCA, you won't know. On top of the beat, inside the slow. MCA, you're gonna rush your soul. Shock, inside the scope.
Yeah, what's the shock? I'm pulling people in the business, making money pop up in the band, over jab, move, get down. Everybody move with the vibe right now. So we'll never do it in the vibe, that vibe. Cause I'm in the bit of mic inside. MCV, roll with me. Two bad boys on the old right scene.
I saw you and her
I saw you.
walking in the rain.
Walking in the rain.
You were holding hands and I will never be the
Yes, yo, all the
same.
Warren and Boys, Easy Crew,
I saw you and her.
DJ Snake, and a Brad, great Brad, man. Yeah. I'm about to see you all right. With the lyrics, words, lyrics. You're wicked. Rockwell, get your clothes out. Shake it with the minute with the ball, let's go. Wow.